Meaning of hominid.
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 Hominid. The term hominid refers to a family of primates that includes modern humans and their closest extinct relatives such as Australopithecus and Paranthropus. The name hominid is derived from the Latin word homo, which means human. Hominids are characterized by features such as upright posture, large brain size, reduced canine teeth, and sophisticated tool-making abilities. These traits allowed hominids to adapt to changing environments and eventually evolve into the modern human species. Studying hominids through fossils and genetic analysis provides insights into human evolution and how we came to be the way we are today.